So this is one of the holy shrines for Muslims and for Christians in Shaklawa. And I've come here to find stillness and find inner quiet, so I can hear the voice of God and I can be still and I can find inner peace. This is something that we need to do. The feeling of serenity and calmness here is amazing. And I thought I would share this message with you, take this opportunity to record this video here with you, who you are listening to me and watching, that this is a beautiful place. And there are many places like this for us to go to, far away from distractions, from noise, from all the things that make us busy and distract us and take us away from inner peace, from the love of God, which we can find within us, and we can seek it in quiet, in stillness, in the serenity and in the peace that we find when we go to a place where it is closer to nature. Around me here are trees, and it's in a high place, very high place, and I can see Shaklawa in front of me, a beautiful town, and I can feel calm, I can feel God, I can feel His presence by coming here and taking the time to move away from the day-to-day routine that sometimes turns us into robots. We need to unplug, and we need to sometimes experience raw nature. We will find the divine, the beautiful, the godly in places like these, where it is calm, quiet, with little distractions, and we can explore within better. That is the beauty of going away to a place of nature, to a holy shrine like this, where a holy man was here and spent a lot of time meditating, praying to God. So here is the inside of the shrine. A beautiful place of stone, far away from civilization. And here is Shaklawa. Absolutely amazing.